the top, people. Take this kind of with me. Welcome to the painting series, and today we're going to be talking about painted woodwork. Step into my living room. It's not actually my living room. We are in a set to show you what it looks like when you paint your woodwork. By painting your woodwork in a contrasting color, you can bring that more joyful color into your homes. If you've got wonderful period features, this is a great option for you because it will draw attention to them. So let's get started. If your house is all neutral and you want to bring some color in, or if you love color and your partner loves a lighter scheme, this is a great compromise. Painting your woodwork. Now, whatever you paint is going to become the focal point. When it comes to mood boarding, I would love you to pick one image that becomes your hero image in the center of your board. The trick to this is to not copy the image exactly. Work out what you love about it, and then bring in other tones that inspire you and create that lovely feeling that you want. For the living room, I have decided to go for blue 04 on the woodwork and white 05 on your walls and your ceiling. So get the blue 04 and wrap it around your woodwork and see what it looks like in the different lights. And then put the white 05 above it, and that way you can make sure the color is perfect. Now that we've finished the mood board, we've come back to our set where I've already painted white 05 on the walls, the coving, and the ceiling. We're gonna paint this window. It's a beautiful window, and I want it to become a focal point. We're also gonna upcycle this piece of furniture. We're gonna paint these shelves, and then finally, we've got a picture frame, which I'm gonna paint as well. Because we're doing woodwork, I've gone for our Supreme finish. This is ultra flat matte. It's even more durable, so it's great at doing any windowsills, shelves that you've got. This product, this is tape and drape. It's got the masking tape attached to the dust sheet. This is gonna save you time. Trust me, get this, you won't regret it. These three brushes are great. You've got the cutting in brush here, so you really can get into those nooks and crannies. Oh, here we go. Get yourself some wood filler. This just evens out any dents that you've got to get that perfect finish. "90% of decorating is in the prep work, especially when we do woodwork. Give everything a light sand. If you've got a den like this, use a wood filler, leave it to dry, and then give that another sand, wipe everything down. If you are doing anything like upcycling a piece of furniture or doing like shelves behind me, I would always recommend one coat of primer. This is the exciting part. We're now gonna add the blue 04 Supreme paint. And I'm using a cutting in brush just so I can get in all of the edges, and then I'm gonna go over the top with a mini roller. This is just one coat, and always recommend that you do two. We have just moved on to the shelves. I'm using my mini roller and I'm going with the grain and do two coats and you're good to go. Once you have finished your second coat on the woodwork, I would then love you to remove the masking tape whilst it's still tacky. Any surfaces like this that you're going to put ornaments on top of, it needs to cure. That means it needs about a week to set. And here we have the final living space. I'm honestly so happy how this turned out because we really wanted to create that cozy but joyful room that just made you really happy. I hope that this has inspired you. We've listed all of the products and the materials in the description below. Make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for the rest of the painting series.